Oh, here we go. Electrical check. All that tape around that GFCI because they couldn't get its stuff back in the box. Nonetheless, all new electrical, new piping, new wires, new boxes. All right. First things first, got to test all the wires and see what's what, and then start demoing. Everything is metal, all metal boxes. So when I was testing that there, I could put one of those ends on the box and the screw hole actually, as long as it's touching the box, and the other one on the hot, and it let me know because this whole system is grounded. That's why everything is piped where we at. You hear me? Indoors and outdoors. I had to hook temporary wire up to keep the garage door working. Well, I figured out the rest. I had the wrong 90 here the day before. Come back with the ones with the thread on it. So I get my connectors on. Compression connectors, you see the slight offset going into the box. They're metal boxes. Front of the house, I don't like to put those big clear boxes on there, so I do those. And then I'll piggyback off the GFCI in the back. Change the box, circle box, tap cons, and a new light. All the lights will be on the switch. You want to control it on the switch, no motions. Come back to this main box. This is where the power is coming out of. I couldn't get the power shut off, so I put some tape around the hot and just pull the box off. Put the box back on. Get my tap cons, my hammer drill, 5/30 seconds, and my 3/16 tap con bits. Get my connectors back on, get the wires back in there. Get my caps on. What did I forget? Oh, I forgot to put the washer, the compression nut, whatever it's called. Anyway, I got it, and now it's time to run it up with the conduit. Pull that piece from behind the riser and get going with my bends. Self-taught on the bends. Right, only thing I learned was like, I think it's 6 inches back or 5.5 inches back on a 1/2 inch 90. Nonetheless, I get my offsets going to the boxes, and off of this light over the stairs, I'm gonna add one more light on the chimney, and then I'm gonna come down off of this box also to add a outlet on the deck that I did last year. Ooh, you see the bends. That's how they had it bent before. So I'm like, oh, that's how I'm going to bend it again instead of doing some 90 boxes, a couple of 45s to go around this fireplace. Oh, you see it coming around the back of this railing for the deck here. I need to get one more piece to get it nice and tight like I like it. Want it to look right. You know what I'm talking about? I need a back-to-back to come out to 90. With a back-to-back set screw fitting. Nonetheless, more bends. You see the bends. I eyeball my bends just about here. Yeah. I put the vertical in there, make sure it's straight. Use the brick and line it up, and then measure off to get my 90s and my offset to get into the box. Oh, employee of the month is on the scene. It's time to pull the wires. A couple of hots and a neutral. Switch legs. Because we got the lights on a separate switch. And then the outlet on its own power source. Something else, I forget. Nonetheless, the 2 lights. It's going to be one more on the garage. And then I need to get my GFCI outlet put in the right way here. Oh, light it up like a Christmas tree, you hear me? The GFCI, the front outlet is tagged off of this outlet so that it works the same. If you know, you know. And then this is the outlet in the garage. I got to figure out which wire is controlling this, though. Then add one more outlet.